A leading journalists' federation in Cambodia has warned that a series of arrests and detentions of reporters at the start of the new year risk undermining the government's stated commitment to building a society based on the rule of law. The Federation of Cambodian Journalists Associations said repeated summonses, detentions, and arrests of media workers in 2026 run counter to the country's press law. It argued that such actions could damage the royal government's policy goals and its efforts to promote a law-based national system. In a statement issued on Thursday, the Federation, which is seen as close to the government, said recent measures taken against journalists have created what it described as an unfair perception abroad. It said foreign observers have accused the Cambodian authorities of intimidating and harassing the media and of undermining freedom of expression. The group also raised concerns about how some cases have been handled by competent authorities. It said certain procedures appeared to diverge from the fundamental legal principle of the presumption of innocence, a core standard protected under both national and international law. The Federation said such practices should not continue. The presumption of innocence is a cornerstone of criminal justice. It assumes that any accused person is innocent until clear evidence is presented and a final court ruling establishes guilt. Under this principle, the burden of proof lies with the prosecution, and the rights and reputation of suspects must be safeguarded. Separately, a report released on February 14, 2026, by the Cambodian Human Rights and Development Association, known as Ad Hoc, said that in less than 2 months at the start of this year, 4 journalists had been arrested by authorities. Cambodia's constitution guarantees freedom of expression, freedom of the press, freedom of publication, and freedom of assembly under Article 41. However, international assessments have raised broader concerns about the rule of law. In its 2025 Rule of Law Index, the World Justice Project ranked Cambodia 141st out of 143 countries, placing it near the bottom globally.